Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to Life with Lee. My name is Lee Poitier, and today we are doing something completely different from my fashion hauls and my fitness videos. I just moved into a new and bigger space than before, you guys. I am so excited for the creative ideas I already have flowing through me. But in today's video, we will be building out a prayer, meditation, and reading nook. In this area behind me, I'll have a video posted somewhere over here so you guys can actually see the space. I already ordered my basic starting point because I didn't want to order everything right away and then it wasn't how I liked or the fit or anything like that. So I did the basic necessities, and I'll have all the details to the products in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see more like this, or if you have any comments or questions, definitely drop it in the comment section. And
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
alright, so this is just the first part of getting this area together. Should be getting the bigger pillows that will go behind those today. And then tonight I'll place another order for string lights, and
pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it.
Alright you guys, so this is a wrap for my prayer, meditation, and reading the area where I usually do my 5-minute journals or read my prayer book. And I'm super excited that I finally put the lights up. I do have my camera shooting light so you guys can actually see me, but I hope you guys enjoyed this process. It did not take long at all. It's just getting the items and having the 2 to 3 hours to just lay everything out the way you want to, clean up everything you need to, and yeah, so I'm about to get cozy in this corner. I try not to work over here because it's so cozy and comfortable, but I do work over here sometimes, so I just try not to keep any coffee, just water, so if I do spill it, it's nothing crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you create a reading, prayer, or meditation area and enjoy it. We're in quarantine still. I was like, I need a corner that's just for my sanity and peace, where I'm not working because I don't have my own place yet. So I have to utilize my space to the fullest potential, and yeah. Alright, so I will be shooting my fashion and try-on hauls over in this area. I definitely will remove the rug and the pillows just to keep them clean and with purpose. But I'll keep the lights up because I love them, and if I wanted to remove them, I can easily unhook them, which is why I got these, just because I want this area to be versatile when I do my shooting fashion haul days. And yeah, I'm about to get ready to go ahead and shoot this Amazon wig review for this new wig I got for a shooting that I'm doing next Friday. So I'm really excited. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. This is your girl, Lee Poitier. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will be doing a little bit more home projects as I continue to build out my space. But I'm just super excited about this one, as you can tell. And I hope this helped you to build out your space wherever you are in your home or your room like I did. I have roommates, so trust me, I understand what it is to utilize your space to the maximum. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. God bless you. Later.